Hi everyone, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I'm back today with a easy peasy soft-sided journal cover making. So I found a placemat with a pumpkin on it that I really liked for autumn, for fall, and I thought I would turn it into a soft-sided cover, and I thought I would tape this and bring you along in case you too wanted to make a soft-sided cover. It's very easy. What I did was I measured how big I wanted my journal cover to be, and I cut out a piece of placemat the right size for the front. I usually use batting in between, but I thought since I found this inexpensive large sheeting of fairly decent thickness felt, I thought I would try that for the middle. And then I found another thin placemat that I'm going to use for the inside. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use Beacon 3-in-1 and just to put a little bit in the middle area just to hold down the layers. So I'm going to do that first, just a little bit, not much. If there's any hanging over the edge, I can always cut them after I sew. And then another thin layer. Any globbies I'm gonna smush around. All right. Then I like to take tiny clips. I got these on AliExpress. And I'll just kind of clip around the edges to help hold it. I'll burnish it, make sure it's sticking. These little clips are great for sewing. I think they're called sewing clips. So if you go to AliExpress and search for small sewing clips, you should be able to find it easily. So now I'm going to zigzag. Actually, I think I'll straight stitch all the way around. And then I'm going to also do on top of that a zigzag all the way around, just because I like the zigzag. So the straight stitch is going to help hold everything together really well. And then the zigzag stitch is just going to add a little bit more decor and also help to hold it. Let's see if I can do this with all of my apparatus in the way. Make sure I have a good angle for you. we'll do the zigzag. I think zigzag is my favorite stitch of all of them, or all the options that I have on this genome. It's a basic genome. My next one, I think I want to get a brother that has a lot of different decorative stitches and that has a top loading see-through bobbin, because I don't know when being that it's a bottom loading covered up bobbin here, I don't know when my bobbin runs out, and it becomes a problem when I'm doing a project and then I run out of bobbin thread, and then it just puts holes everywhere, and yeah, it's not good. So and I also want a brother that cuts the thread as well, and also has an auto threader. This genome is very, very basic. I love it for starter. It's model 234, and it has has 14 stitches, I believe. Just very basic, but I'm a beginner sewer. I just got the sewing machine this year, like mid this year. I've only had the sewing machine about, I don't know, 4 or 5 months, so I'm really new to sewing. But I love sewing. So much fun. All right, and that's how easy it is. That's how easy it is. Let me fix this now. Okay. Sorry. So yeah. Easy peasy soft cover. I think I'll probably do a step 2. Once I print out the pages, I'll show you how I add the pages to it. And then maybe we'll do other videos to decorate the pages. So yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so that you can be updated on all upcoming videos, because I am planning now on doing a lot of craft with me type of videos that I think you'll enjoy. So thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.